evening, my dear friends. Wishing you all a happy Friendship Day in behalf of staff engagement team.
A circle is round. It has no end, and that's how friendship is. So, let's begin with the best buddies band activity.
So I believe friendship is always a sweet responsibility, never an opportunity. Wishing you all happy Friendship Day. Thank you.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಾವಿದ ರಾಮು ಸರ್.
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
In MIS, we all are meeting as a friend.
तो MIS टीम पूरी फ्रेंड्स है. हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे.
दोस्ती कभी खास लोगों से नहीं होती, जिनसे हो जाती है वही दोस्त बन जाते हैं.
And I do agree that friendship isn't about whom we have known the longest, but it's about who has been by our side and who's there for us each and every day.
So it's whole family, it's my close friend.
So you all are, when it comes to human beings, this is something we need friends, whether you are a principal, whether you are coordinator or a teacher or accounts department or whatever. See, we are performing our roles, but somewhere I feel we supported each other when it was required. And we will be doing it in future also. Maybe yes, as Namrata and like Geeta madam all said, that this is not like sometime professionally we like somebody more and we like somebody less. But as a principal, when I have to look at you are all beads in the mala. When I say beads, I mean like it's all like in one. So all of you are important. Each count. When I say it's important, and then that beautiful this friendship band will be created. One bead will not look nice. All of you with different colors, different sizes, and different moods and different capacities and different capabilities and different skill sets. So all of you come together, then you make that program beautiful. But ultimately you are one. We are one. So this is for all of you. We are one team and we will be always as one team. Whether you consider it as friendship or whether you consider as work ethics or commitment towards our organization. So MIS, all beads, I salute all the beads of MIS, including me.
The greatest gift of life, that is friendship. So I received it in MIS family. I can say that Ritu ma'am is the reason for it. Because of Ritu ma'am, we all are together here. So I'll dedicate this band to ma'am. That means it goes to all.
As me in my MIS, I feel like all and each teacher is very important for me, because from them lots of learning, and they help me in growing up.
We have heard that, we know that blood is thicker than water. We have heard of that. So what I feel is the bond that is cemented with love, trust and affection is thicker than blood. So let us pray that this bond, cemented with all the virtues, grow strong and we be victorious in every step.
I believe like how much ever friends you have, that much positivity and happiness you will get. In that, I'm blessed with all. So happy Friendship Day to all, and this is what I want to dedicate to all my friends.
I love all my MIS team and all are my friends. That's all that I have to say. I have a happy friendship to all of my friends.
So we are belongs to one family. So I took only one band, even if you tell three. So it is common to all. So we are in one family. That is MIS.
Friendship means a friend means all-time available person. So in MIS, we are all available in our tough times and happiest moments. We are working together and we have that bond together.
Once I came to MIS, I just got like three friends. Okay, the first is like our MIS team. Hero and villain feel together with a partner.
कोई टूटे तो उससे सजाना सीखो, कोई टूटे तो उसे सजाना सीखो, कोई रूठे तो उसे मनाना सीखो, कोई रूठे तो उसे मनाना सीखो, रिश्ते तो मिलते हैं मुकद्दर से, बस उन्हें खूबसूरती से निभाना सीखो, फिर वो दुनिया का कोई भी रिश्ता हो.
It's a thought that has happened to start this Manipal International School, and that has, a wave has created, and Ritu ma'am has connected all of us together as a family. This connection as a spark. So I respect that connection. So the Friendship Day is like respecting that connection that we all have together. There are times we had very tough times. We all crossed it, and still we are all sailing with the same hardship, with the same effort, with the same passion. So happy Friendship Day to everyone.
ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿಯಮ್ಮ ಕವನಮ್ಮ.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೇ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಹತ್ರದಿಂದನೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಅಂತೂ ನಾನು ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗುನು ನಾನು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನ ಕಟ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. August 15th ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗುನು ನಾನು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ನ ನಾನು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Happy Friendship Day for one and all. I would like to tell that a friend is one who always loves. So here I got such a beautiful family where each and everyone loves me. Love is
all are my best friends. So I wish all happy Friendship Day and thank you.
So and a happy Friendship Day everyone. Thank you.
ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ.
I'm friend of everyone. Thank you so much everyone and happy Friendship Day. Here I can see positivity in each and everyone. So I'm very happy to work with this MIS family and everyone are friends of mine. So happy Friendship Day for everyone.
I know it's very difficult to choose friends among us. So all of us form the MIS family, isn't it? Right? Yes. So to satisfy all of us, I made bands for all our MIS friends.
முகநக நட்பது நட்பன்று நெஞ்சத்து அகநக நட்பது நட்பு. Just smiling at somebody is not friendship. Smiling with your heart. Today it happened today. Everybody smiled with your heart and you all shared your feelings with your heart. Thank you so much for being here and celebrating this beautiful day. I often use this word serendipity. I believe in it, like we all are here together for a purpose, for a reason. Yes, it's happening for a good reason and positively.
हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे
तेरा साथ ना